आप इंडिया में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, इनकम अर्न करते हो और फिर उसी इनकम पे दो जगह टैक्स भरना पड़ता है. Most NRIs face, but a very few really understand. Double taxation when both India and your resident country tax for the same income. Namaste NRIs, welcome to the very first video of Safe Taxes, your one-stop destination for everything tax related. So, what is DTAA? DTAA or Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement is a tax treaty that India has signed with over 85 countries, including US, UK, UAE, Canada, Australia and more. ये agreement ensure करता है कि आपको same income पे दो बार tax ना देना पड़े, एक इंडिया में और एक abroad. Let's say you live in US but you earn interest from bank deposit in India. Now technically both the countries want to tax you on that income, but under DTAA you either pay tax in just one country or pay in both but get tax credit in the country of your residence from the taxes you have already paid in India. So, what income is covered under DTAA? DTAA in India cover almost all common NRI incomes like your salary, interest on your NRE, NRO bank deposits, dividends, capital gains from share or property, royalties, technical fees, pension. So, almost everything you earn as an NRI in India comes under DTAA. So now that you know DTAA can save you from getting taxed twice, let's talk about how it actually works. There are two ways in which DTAA is applied. Way number one is exemption method. Here your income is taxed only in one country and not in both. Let's say you are an NRI living in UAE and earning interest from India. Since the UAE does not tax the personal income and India does, so you just pay taxes in India. Easy, clean and done. The method number two is tax credit method. This is more common in countries such as US, UK and Canada, and this is how it works. You pay tax on the income in India and then you report the same income in your resident country, but you get credit for the income you have already paid taxes in India. So you don't pay double, just pay the balance if any. This method ensures that even both countries tax the income, your total tax never exceeds the higher rate. Now that we know DTAA saves us a lot of money, but the big question is how can you claim these benefits? So these are three must-have documents that you need to carry if you want to claim DTAA. Number one, Tax Residency Certificate, also known as TRC. This certificate proves that you are a tax resident of your country like US, UK, UAE, etc. TRC is the key to getting lower TDS rates under DTAA tax agreement. Now, the next you need is Form 10F. It's a simple declaration form required by Indian tax authorities. Form 10F basically confirms your details and your residency status. Lastly, you'd be needing your PAN card, your Indian permanent account number, which will be needed for tax filings and TDS claims. When you submit these three documents to your bank or to the financial institution in India, they automatically apply the reduced TDS rates under DTAA agreement. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you earn rupees 1 lakh interest income in India. Normally, without DTAA, the Indian banks cut 30% TDS, which will be equals to 30,000 straight away. But in the US, your tax rate on this income is only 25%, which will be equals to 25,000. The US will only give you credit for 25,000 and not the full 30,000 that you have paid in India. So the extra 5% you paid in India is the permanent loss. Result, you actually pay 30% instead of 25%. Now, if you use the DTAA India-US tax treaty, this tax treaty says that India can tax interest only at 15%. So, if you give your bank a TRC plus Form 10F, they only cut 15,000 as a TDS and not 30,000. Now, in the US, your tax is 25,000. Since you have already paid 15,000 in India, you only have to pay the remaining 10,000 in the United States. Result? Total tax will be 15,000 paid in India plus 10,000 paid in US is equals to 25,000. That's exactly 25%. So, there you have it. DTAA is not just a tax term, it's your best friend as an NRI when it comes to saving money on taxes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Safe Taxes for more easy to understand tips and tricks tailored for NRIs like you. Got a question or want help with your DTAA claims or NRI tax filing? Comment below or reach out to us anytime. We are here to make your NRI taxation simple and stress-free. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered and always safe tax with Safe Taxes.